If you're using AI in 2026, you've probably asked yourself this question: which AI is actually the best? ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini? Each one claims to be the smartest AI assistant. But which one should you use? Today, I'll compare all three based on real-world tasks so you don't waste your time or money. Let's get started. Before comparing them, let's quickly understand what each AI is. ChatGPT is developed by OpenAI. Claude is developed by Anthropic. Gemini is developed by Google. Each one has its own strengths. Some are better for writing, some are better for coding, some are better for research. Today, we'll test them like a real user, not just by looking at marketing claims. Let's start with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is currently one of the most popular AI assistants in the world. It's excellent for writing articles, generating ideas, and programming. It also helps with business planning, learning new skills, and creating YouTube scripts. Its biggest strength is its natural, easy-to-understand answers. Pros: very easy to use, excellent writing quality, strong coding abilities, huge ecosystem of GPTs and tools. It even supports voice and images. Now the downside. Some advanced features require a paid subscription, and sometimes responses need fact-checking. Depending on the task, another AI may provide more detailed reasoning. Now let's move to Claude. Claude is developed by Anthropic and is known for its thoughtful, detailed responses. Many professionals prefer Claude because it can understand very long documents. It's especially useful for research, long-form writing, and summarizing PDFs. Claude often feels calm, organized, and very human-like in its writing. Claude's biggest strengths are accuracy and long document understanding. However, its ecosystem is smaller than ChatGPT's, and it can be less versatile for some creative tasks. But what about Gemini? Google has integrated Gemini into Search, Gmail, Docs, and Drive. If you use Google Workspace, Gemini works seamlessly. It's very strong at research, summarizing web content, and answering questions based on Google's knowledge, perfect for students and office workers. Gemini is fast and integrates perfectly with Google services. However, creative writing isn't always as natural as ChatGPT, and for detailed reports, some users still prefer Claude. Now let's compare all three. For content creation and coding, ChatGPT is excellent. For long documents and research, Claude is hard to beat. For Google Power users, Gemini is the choice. If I had to recommend only one for beginners, I'd choose ChatGPT. It's versatile and easy to use for almost every task. Professionals might prefer Claude, and Google users, Gemini. Don't limit yourself to just one. Learn all three to get a real advantage. Which one do you think is the winner? Let me know in the comments below. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm with SheTech Insights, helping you stay ahead in the digital world. Thanks for watching and see you next time!